Hi Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. So today we're going to make mayonnaise, raw mayonnaise, and so we're just outside enjoying the outdoors, so I thought that I could do this video out here to show you the difference. So we have in here 1 cup cashew, and I put in here 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and here we have some onion powder and some salt, and I am going to put some lime. I got these limes off my tree back there.
Good for you.
So yes, good for me. I'm just gonna put the lime seeds in. I don't think it will hurt. And water, some water here. I'm thinking I will need more water because, yeah. So let's go with this now, Simple Life, and see how we do. Okay, so let's take that off, shake it up a bit, and put a little more water because I did put extra cashews in there. So let's go again and see what we got. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is so convenient. So Simple Life, I made some burgers and I made a bread, and I thought, why not make some mayonnaise to go on top of the bread to make a sandwich for tomorrow for lunch. So this is what inspired me making a mayonnaise today. And there's nothing like real homemade food. When you make it yourself, and you have it, nothing beats that. So here we are making this mayonnaise today. If we had the Vitamix, it would have been done already. But you know what?
That's true.
Yeah, but sometimes it's so big and then you have to. But here we are, here, Simple Life.
That look nice.
Yeah. Nice and creamy and thick. So are you gonna taste it for me, please? Look at that, Simple Life. I just want to taste it.
Where's the bread and the beef?
But I cannot taste it right now, Simple Life. So, sweetie, please taste it for me. And he's very honest, family. He's Simple Life. He's very honest. He will tell you.
Yeah, I like it.
It's very good.
Yeah.
You like it, or is it good? Can I put the recipe up? Is it?
I would take out a little of the lime juice.
A little lemon. Put less lemon. Okay, good to know that. Yes. Okay, because see, the lemon, Simple
Stronger.
Life is more stronger than the lemon. So
lime.
Than the lime is stronger than the lemon. What would I do without you? So thank you, Simple Life, and thank you, sweetie, for that observation. And here we are, nice, thick, homemade mayonnaise. I will put the recipe in the description. Give it a try, Simple Life, when I put it, and come back and let me know, okay? Thank you very much, and Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing. Have a blessed day.
Amen.